of the 5-day moving average. Now, unfortunately, this was a final 10-15 minutes move. If this were to come much earlier, it will be more ideal, especially if you're trading 0-day to expiry. So while on hindsight, this looks absolutely blockbuster, you have to remember, well, not all trades are created equal, especially this near 15 minutes. So, well, obviously we're trading a 0-day to expiry, something that's out of the money. This will be a pretty risky trade. So you just have to be very careful. Don't look at this and think, well, on hindsight, this looks great. Obviously it does. So if you miss this trade, that's fine, absolutely fine, even though you can have the best algorithms there is. Not all trades are created equal, so don't feel that you missed this. If you didn't take this, the only reason you would have taken this is if you have this, well, understanding that there is this pink algorithm here. Now, this is important because a big part of understanding when to go long here is to know this pink algorithm is in place. So when you have this pink algorithm and the 5-day moving average, now you see when you know to prevent yourself from going long, especially if there isn't a strong buying continuation out of this structure right there. And obviously seeing how magenta is tapering in the range right here, you know that this is a taper before it starts heading down. So sometimes seeing the algorithms here helps you in making a decision not to go long yet until you see a certain head that's forming. Now, if this starts forming here, if we had more time, more even tomorrow, this will be absolutely ideal, isn't it? So let's talk a little bit about that. So understanding the algorithms help you in, well, in a way, planning for your trades, knowing when to take what and not, and understanding to see the liquidity in that range here. So this trade down only worked because there was this blue precision selling algorithm that I charted here to show that the intensity of the seller is heading down. So this is truly important right there. Now, it's about learning this skill, this lifetime skill, so you can do this for the rest of your life by learning to find 5-figure profit trades. And I've shown you it's very possible to do it, but it's a long-term skill you need to learn. So don't rush this. And most importantly, please do not join if you're looking for signals. Signals will ruin you. You need to learn this skill for a lifetime. So you can do this every single day for the rest of your life. And we're talking about $10,000 a day. Not a month, mind you. Every single day. This skill is worth every ounce of your